The chain and boots of development within the district is at the tip of the tongue of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, late Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council government. But when picked onto the grassroots levels, the development Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council boasts about the development people's witness is alternatively opposite to each other. Likewise, on 5th of December, villagers of Dhansing Engleng village are compelled to voluntarily repair the road connecting to their village. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council failed to provide good road to the century-old village, as it is still deprived from good road facilities. As per the report, it was informed that despite Dhansing Engleng village is a country-old village situated at Naharjan falling under Borjan constituency, the villagers had never experienced the feelings of good road. Hence, on 5th of December, villagers came forward and voluntarily repaired the road. Villagers, while speaking to us, said the village was established in the year 1922 and by this time 2022 it has completed a mark of 100 years, but the village is still deprived from government's project like road connectivity. The road is a lifeline to Dhansing Engleng village and to its 4 adjoining villages. But there is no any developmental project and schemes undertaken at the village, although the village had completed 100 years of establishment.
Ningkan parota kisose ansi ningkan parora ningkan isibak ta nange pleng to anlo sitame non pupenta konsila hinpen thang akirapta chiteklong le non la tuarta langon nile tum jongjung adona phai chirung si non la tuar barka hut nil tum kidam siksak pekpan.
Children going to school, taking ailing patients to the hospital, and many such troubles and difficulties had to be endured constantly. Hence, appeal Surjo Rongphar EM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the higher authorities to pay heed into this matter and resolve their grievances.
Ko ane nilitum jongjung pensi nilitum hikia dulita cirung cirek pensinon ali cesamalo sibonai lo.
Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.